Hello everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Halloween snow globe DIY. And the materials that you're going to need, need to get you one of these little snow globes or water globes from the Dollar Tree. Also, you're going to need some E6000 glue. You're going to need to have some little bows or ribbons or stuff like that that you want to use to embellish your snow globe with. And in addition, you will want some type of either snow or confetti or something that's going to match whatever it is you're putting inside of your snow globe. And just to let you know, you could put anything inside of these. But last year at my mother's, we got together, all of us girls, and bought a bunch of these little ceramic figurines from the Dollar Tree. I think these turned out really cute and they're the perfect size for this. This would be a fun project that you could do with your children or your grandchildren, and it would also be a nice little keepsake for you to have to display their artwork with. So anyway, the first thing that you're going to want to do, now I do not put water in mine. That's why I call them a snow globe versus a water globe. But they do have some kind of little seal in here, and there is instructions inside, I think, to tell you how to do it if you do want to add water or some kind of liquid to it. But I am not going to be doing that. I just don't want to deal with the mess of the water. And, you know, for what I'm using, these little things here, they would not do well in water. So if you do decide you want to use water, make sure whatever you're purchasing to put inside of your snow globe or your water globe will be able to withstand the liquid. I'm just going to take some E6000 glue and I'm going to glue their feet down on top of this, and I'm going to put it as much in the center as I can. And you also want to make sure whatever you're using that you measure to make sure it will go down over top of it and that it is going to fit. And this is actually perfect. I mean, it is the absolute perfect size for this. Also, just to let you know, because these I guess are made as like little ornaments that you can hang up, they do have a little wire on the top of their heads that you know, you want to pull out probably prior to decorating these. I did pull this one out and it just left like a little tiny spot on top of his head. So I just took some black paint and covered that up. So I just had to do a little minor touch up on him. These little wires do come out relatively easy. I just took a pair of pliers and just pulled them straight out. I'm going to go ahead and glue my little character down because I don't want him going anywhere. If you want to, you can paint around his feet, you know, a different color for grass or whatever. It's up to you. I actually was able to purchase some, it's called table scatter, but it is actually like, I guess like sequins or confetti is what I call it. I got this at Target and their dollar spot, and these are little black bats. I have seen them have leaves, they've had snowflakes. They usually have something out for every season. I thought the bats would actually be perfect for this. Just to show you how these sometimes come. This is something else that I had picked up at Target Dollar Spot. Come in a little glass jar, and these are Christmas trees. So, you know, you can find those. And also at the Dollar Tree, I spotted not too long ago, actually it was just about a week ago, they had some fall confetti that was just like sequins with gold and brown and stuff like that. So if you wanted to use those, I know that the little scarecrow with a pumpkin head, that would be really cute with that one. The witch, this is something that the Dollar Tree is actually selling right now in their Christmas area. But this is like little stars with some other types of little confetti in there. And that would work perfect for you know, putting these in also because it's very versatile. What I had decided that I wanted to do was take these, and I took this particular one and I clipped the ring off of the back. I'm going to try and hot glue one of these inside, hanging upside down. I'm gonna go ahead and put these together so that you can see how I do this. Alright, so this is what he looks like. I think it turned out really cute. Like I said, you could put anything you want to in here, make it for any holiday, not just Halloween and Christmas. You could do Easter, put little bunnies in here. So it might be worth it just to grab you a few of these snow globes and save them back for later. And they also make really cute gifts. Who wouldn't like that?